हेलो दोस्तों, हाउ आर यू। आज का वीडियो हम स्टार्ट करने से पहले बता दें कि अब थोड़ा चैप्टर अभी मैं स्किप कर रहा हूँ। अभी हम चैप्टर 2 पर है और चैप्टर 2 में बीच का पोर्शन स्किप होके मैं पीछे का पोर्शन ले रहा हूँ ताकि आपको थोड़ा समझ में आए, क्योंकि बीच का पोर्शन ऐसा है कि वो ये टॉपिक के बाद ही समझना बेटर रहेगा, इसलिए ये वीडियो पहले आप देख लीजिए। तो आज का टॉपिक चैप्टर 2 का है डायमेंशनल फार्मूला। डायमेंशनल फार्मूला क्या है, अब इंग्लिश में स्टार्ट करते हैं। अभी तक मैंने जो भी पढ़ा है वो आपको हिंदी में पढ़ाया था। तो व्हाट डू मीन बाय डायमेंशनल फार्मूला? तो इट्स one type of formula which is basically defined by in physics to understand the nature of a physical quantity. Okay, see, any physical quantity can be expressed in terms of some combination of several fundamental or base quantities, or several nahi, it's a 7 base or fundamental quantity. We have total 7 base quantities. For each and every base quantity in dimensional formula, it is symbolized by first capital letter. Okay, so see, for convenience, base quantities are represented by a letter symbol. For example, mass. If such a physical quantity possess mass, in that case mass is denoted by capital M. Remember, here only capital words first letter is acceptable, rest we do not have to accept. Second one, we have length. The length denoted by L, time denoted by T, electric current denoted by A, and thermodynamic temperature, luminous intensity, and amount of substance that we have to consider in terms of K. So this is simple definition. When physical quantity, any physical means fundamental or derived quantity, is expressed with appropriate powers of M, L, T, K, A, then such an expression for physical quantity is called dimensional formula. Here we are using word powers. It means what? In terms of power you have to derive it, means express this quantity. The dimensional formula of physical quantity is expressed by square bracket. Remember, it's important and necessary. Here remember, in terms of power means such a physical quantity is present, write in terms of power 1. If such a physical quantity is absent, then write m raised to 0, l raised to 0, t raised to 0. It depends what type of physical quantity you have and what type of formula you need. Okay, so this is a simple introduction regarding dimensional formula. Now let's convert one physical quantity dimensional formula. Okay, so suppose we have a velocity and I want a dimensional formula of velocity. So first of all, how to solve it, let's see. First of all, write down equation of velocity, which is displacement upon time. Remember, in 10th standard I think so you know about distance upon time, but it's not a distance but it is displacement upon time. Okay, so over here we have two quantity in denominator in ratio term. So displacement is nothing but it is a one type of length. Okay, so here I am writing dimension of length, and the time is already we considered in terms of basic quantity. So over here just check out, so only we have a length and time. Okay, so length is present, that's why as I told you, if such a quantity is present, write down l raised to 1. Similarly, in dimension of time, a time is present means t raised to 1. Okay, you can also rearrange or write the equation like this: l raised to 1, t raised to minus 1. Okay, now at the end of the answer, see over here whatever quantity is expressed in terms of mlt. So over here in terms of mlt we have to write dimensional formula of velocity. So m raised to 0, m stands for mass, but just check out over here, so there is no scope of mass, means mass is completely absent in this equation. So over here I am writing m raised to 0. Now to these two quantities as it is l raised to 1 and t raised to minus 1. So this is dimensional formula of velocity. Hope you understand this, how to prepare dimensional formula of any physical quantity. Let's do one more example, so I think so you will get clear cut idea. Now we are going to convert we are going for dimensional formula of force. So force is nothing but it is mass into acceleration. Okay, mass expressed in kg, acceleration expressed in terms of meter per second square. Hope you know this formula, as well as this is unit of force. Okay, so kg is nothing but it is dimension of mass, meter per second square. Meter stands for dimension of length, divided by s square. S means second square, so it means dimension of time. Okay, but over here it is square, so over here we have to write square. Dimension of mass means mass is present. Mass is present means here we are writing m raised to 1. Dimension of length means length is also present over here, so here we are writing l raised to 1. Only single quantity is present. And dimension of time, but over here it is 2 times present, means square. So over here we are writing t square. Just rearrange the term. So over here we have for force m raised to 1, l raised to 1, and t raised to minus 2. Hope you understand how to prepare dimensional formula of any physical quantity. Huh. Uh, Now by using this what is called method, I am going to give you such a homework. Find out dimensional formula of this physical quantities. Only 7 quantity at present I am going to give you. Hope you just find out and give me answer. Today's video is over. Hope you understand, this is a new thing for you. Remember this equation as well as procedure topic is very important for 11th and 12th standard, as well as for your competitive exam also. So please pay full attention on this topic, not only on this video but on this topic, because it's a beginning of the topic. It's a vast topic. Okay, so one by one we will see each and everything in this topic. Okay, till then चलो बाय बाय. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर वीडियोस समझ में आए, अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कर दिया करो. मुझे भी समझ में आए कि आप लोग क्या कर रहे हो. थैंक यू वेरी मच. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे.